Hi, hello, welcome back. Now I know what you're thinking. What could possibly be better than buffalo cauliflower? Now if you haven't watched my last video, please go back and check that out. And the answer is jackfruit tacos. Now jackfruit comes from South Asia. It's a huge fruit. It can get up to like 100 pounds. It's insane. I went ahead and got a few cans of this. Got it at the local grocery store. Nothing too crazy. Look, it even says it's for vegan tacos. Come on. Let's check this out. Okay. This comes in a few, I don't know, it's like chunks, you know, it's in some water or brine or something. What we'll want to do is drain this and pull it apart a little bit and rinse it. It also needs rinse, don't forget that. While that's gonna happen, I'll turn my saucepan on here. I say saucepan, it's actually really huge. We're gonna turn this on to about low heat, get it warmed up, and we'll go ahead and rinse these things. Now I've got my 3 cans of jackfruit rinsed, drained, all that fun stuff. I learned this trick when I used to make pulled pork. Yes, I was a meat eater. You use 2 forks and you kind of pull this apart here. We'll see if this works with the jackfruit. And it appears that it does. So basically all I'm doing, that's it. We'll shred this up and we'll add our taco sauce. Shred it. All right, this part's pretty easy. I'm not going too overboard with this. I just got some taco sauce. A little bit of my favorite, Spanish Gardens here, the hot, of course. I'm gonna pour that in and put it in this pan. Now people use jackfruit for everything. I've seen sandwiches, barbecue, tacos, obviously. It's good stuff. Not very many people know about it. I'll mix this in here. I'll add this to the pan and we'll cover this and let it cook for about 20 minutes. So, I like to spice things up a bit. I'll put these red peppers in. We'll chop these up. And now, I'll add these to my pan on medium heat. So let's talk about the jackfruit. As I mentioned, it's huge, anywhere from 80, 100 pounds. I mean, they're big fruits. A mature tree can produce roughly 100 to 200 of these fruits a year, so it's pretty high volume. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It's low in sodium, doesn't contain any cholesterol or unhealthy fats. Why have you not eaten it yet? Now, I've never tried this. I don't know how it's gonna taste with my taco sauce on my jackfruit, but I will make some, or attempt to make some garlic aioli. Do about a cup of this vegan mayo, which by the way, I hate mayonnaise. I've always hated mayonnaise, but they use this a lot in vegan recipes and what have you, and it's not bad. Even the name mayonnaise just sounds disgusting. Mayonnaise. Look at that, I've made a mess again. Next is 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Then a tablespoon of lime zest. I'm just gonna eyeball that. If you don't know about lime zest, essentially you're just grating a lime. You have to push really hard, apparently. And then it calls for 4 garlic cloves. I'm gonna cheat and use minced garlic and do about, I don't know, 1.5 tablespoons-ish of that. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Smells good. Perfect. Taste test. I think that'll fare pretty well. We've hit 20 minutes on the jackfruit. We'll take the lid off and cook for another 10 minutes. While we've still got some time on that, I'm gonna get our cilantro ready and maybe some avocados. I've got 2 avocados, but I'm only gonna cut one so the other one doesn't go bad. I'm sure you've heard your friends or cousins and or aunts or whatever, you know, talk about avocados and just how amazing they are. And you're probably like, shut up, you know. But, you know, they're green and weird, so I understand the hesitation. But I'm here to tell you that they are wonderful. Don't just eat them on their own, you idiot. Just put them with something else, obviously. Sometimes you can break the skin off of these. And this one looks like I can. But you don't want to lose a lot of the inside. So if you need, you can use a spoon. Just scoop that mug right on out. These ones here, they're not fresh by any means. They got little spots on them, but they'll be okay. But you know, they're weird. But I'm weird, so I think it kind of works out in the end. There we go. We've hit our 10-minute mark on the jackfruit. So I'm gonna cut our zesty lime. You know, I had that lime juice, but I don't want this to go to waste. And this is fresh, so I'm gonna cut this in half. Maybe. And we'll squeeze these onto the jackfruit. Now what better to go with these jackfruit tacos than some refried black beans? Be careful when you're buying these to check the ingredients. You don't want to have any lard in there. That's gross. Now to piece this all together. We'll do a little layer of this garlic aioli on the bottom. Nothing too major to be overbearing. Okay, that's the jackfruit. Then red pepper. Let's do, you know what, let's do some of this avocado next. And let's throw on some of this cilantro. And maybe some hot sauce, why not? I gotta say that looks quite delightful. And ladies and gentlemen, here you have it, the jackfruit taco. If you like what you see, I've got some more videos just like this on my page. Please subscribe and check them out. And let's go ahead and see what this is all about. It's pretty much the bomb.com/awesome.